To begin, you'll need to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine your softened butter, chopped sage, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper in a small bowl. Pat your turkey dry and rub this savory butter mixture all over it, and even under its skin. Stuff the cavity of the turkey with onion, lemon halves, and a bouquet of fresh herbs. Roast the turkey, basting with pan juices every half an hour. Ensure the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165°F in the thickest part of the thigh. Next up, the cranberry sauce. Combine cranberries, sugar, water, orange zest, and orange juice in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer until the cranberries burst and the sauce thickens. For the mashed potatoes, boil them until they're tender, then drain. Mash the potatoes with butter and warm milk until smooth. Season with salt and white pepper, and garnish with chopped chives for that extra touch. And let's not forget the roasted vegetables. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss Brussels sprouts, carrots, and butternut squash with olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Roast these in the oven until they're golden and tender, which should take around 25 to 30 minutes. Sprinkle with fresh parsley before serving. And there you have it, a classic Thanksgiving Day meal, from the roast turkey to the cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and roasted vegetables. This is a feast that's sure to impress and satisfy all your guests. Enjoy your Thanksgiving!